Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. What about you? Hopeful that you will be fine. Okay. Now we are going to start our work. Open your English Broadway textbook, grade 1. Open page number 24. Question number 2. Speak in pairs A and B. Follow the example. Speak in pairs means there are two groups A and B. The first one ask question, the other reply, या other give answer. The boy asks question, where is the mouse? Means he is asking the location of the mouse, यानी कि वो पूछ रहा है कि mouse कहाँ है. The girl replies, in the house, घर में है. Where is the tortoise? Tortoise कहाँ है? In the garden, बाग में है. So there are two group A and B. The A group, in this group there are only questions. In the B group there are only answers. In the A group we can see that the last part of the question has written, and we will complete the question like where is the mouse. So we will write where is the puppy, where is the crow, where is the lion, where is the horse, where is the cow. Okay, your pencil should be sharp and draw the line with scale and write where is the puppy, where is the lion, where is the cow, where is the crow, and where is the horse. We will write answer like where is the puppy? In the kennel. Where is the crow? In the nest. Where is the lion? In the den. Where is the horse? In the stable. Where is the cow? In the cow shed. So in the group A there are questions, in the group B there are answers. Question number 3. When people meet for the first time in the morning, what do they say? What do they say when they are going away? Means कि लोग सुबह जब मिलते हैं आपस में तो क्या कहते हैं, और जब एक दूसरे से दूर जाते हैं या चले जाते हैं तो तब क्या कहते हैं. Look at the pictures and read what they are saying. Hi, hi. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye. मीन्स कि जब हम वापस जा रहे होते हैं तो एक दूसरे को बाय या खुदा हाफिज जैसे अल्फाज कहते हैं. बाय, सी यू टुमारो, कल मिलेंगे. गुड बाय, खुदा हाफिज. गुड बाय मैम. गुड नाइट, गुड नाइट. We use good night in the time of night. When we are going to our bed, we say these words, good night, shab bakhair. These are all those words which we say when we meet to other people, or these are those words we are say when we are going away. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Khuda Hafiz.